Microsoft Teams is a pretty robust place. Where do we actually communicate with one another? Well, let's find out. Hey everybody, I'm Kyle with Microsoft, and let's not waste any time. These are posts in Microsoft Teams. Every channel in every team starts with a Posts tab. This is where your team will spend the bulk of their time communicating and meeting about whatever happens to be the focus of that channel. Here we see that all of these posts and replies are relevant to the creation of digital web assets for this project. Posts are structured as threaded conversations. If Megan wants to reply to Joanna's comment on the mock-up review here, she doesn't scroll to the bottom. That will start a new conversation. Instead, click Reply at the bottom of that block to add to that conversation. We can also see here that there are 4 collapsed replies already from other team members. Let's instead create a new conversation so we can see all of the options when making a post. When we click New Conversation, a text field appears with an assortment of buttons underneath. The first lets us use rich text formatting options, which we'll explore in a moment. The paperclip allows us to attach a file, either locally or from an online location, to this post. The next 3 are fun items: emoji, GIFs, and stickers. Beyond those options, you might see different buttons in different locations. These are all based on apps that can be added to a team or a channel, such as Microsoft Stream, Power BI, or even third-party services like YouTube. Let's launch rich text formatting for a more complex post. We now see an option to add a subject header, as well as common formatting options such as bold, italics, and more. One unique element to Microsoft Teams is the ability to flag a post as important. This option will send a notification to every member in the channel. There are also some unique options above these formatting tools. The first is a drop-down to change your new conversation into an announcement. Announcements can help differentiate major topics of conversation with a unique banner color or a custom image. Next is the option to change who can reply, everyone, or just you and the channel moderators if you need the conversation to have a bit more control. Finally, if the conversation is relevant to more than just one channel, choose where else to post it here. If we click Reply to a message rather than starting a new conversation, most of all these options remain, save for those 3 at the top. Replying to a message makes it the most recent threaded conversation in the channel and moves that conversation to the bottom of the Posts area. There is even more to talk about in the Posts tab in Microsoft Teams, but I think that's enough for one video. If you need more Teams tutorials, be sure to subscribe to the Expert Zone North America channel, give this video a like, and let us know in the comments below what topics you'd like to see in a future video. We'll talk to you next time. Looking for more info to help you sell even better? Head on over to Expert Zone, Microsoft's online learning platform for courses and classes on all things Microsoft.